How to lock Instagram app in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the home screen on your iPhone, then find out the Instagram app on your home screen. Now all you have to do is long press on the Instagram app. There you can see require face ID option available. Now simply tap on the require face ID and a confirmation will appear on your screen. Then simply tap on it again. Now your Instagram is authenticated with your Face ID. Whenever you open it, it will ask for your Face ID and you will need to provide your Face ID to log into it. In order to do this, make sure that you have the iOS 18.1 or more versions. Also, if you are using the Touch ID or iPhone passcode version, then it will ask for the same one which you are using currently. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.